Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
This is new Nerf Rival, a whole new game. High-powered, accurate Rival blasters, firing all new ammo, blasting with extreme 100 feet per second velocity. New Nerf Rival. Nerf like never seen before.
Nerf Modulus introduces the new Tri-Strike. For this mission, you'll need 3 types of firepower: performance, power, impact. Modulus Tri-Strike. The performance of Elite, the power of Mega, and the impact of a Modulus missile is in your hands. New Nerf Modulus Tri-Strike blasters and upgrade kits each sold separately. Explore the ever-expanding Modulus system and build on.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Looks like the cable guys are here.
And I got just the thing for him. Behold, the Dreadbolt, the ultimate arrow firing crossbow.
Awesome!
Blast whistling arrows, long range.
So they'll never see it coming. When battling zombies, this is how we play.
New Nerf Zombie Strike Dreadbolt with 5 zombie eliminating arrows.
The new Nerf Mega Mastodon, the most massive motorized Mega Blaster from Nerf. Unleash a 24-dart onslaught of whistling foam fury. And when we say the Mastodon is massive, we mean huge. Fully motorized with rotating drum, new Nerf Mega Mastodon. Shoulder strap included, batteries aren't. It's Nerf or nothing.
The new Nerf N-Strike Modulus system. Now you can build and customize over 1,000 system combinations with upgrade kits and accessories. Add on the Stealth Ops kit, or Long Range Targeting kit, and Strike and Defend kit, or increase dart capacity with the Flip Clip. Each new kit prepares you for a new battle. 1,000 combinations in one awesome system. New Nerf N-Strike Modulus. Blaster and upgrade kits each sold separately, batteries not included.
It's Nerf or nothing!